What am I doing? Doing some incognito bench cleaning. Apparently I made a mess, so I'm just gonna throw this on there randomly. Wood chips on a freaking welding table. Sometimes you gotta do woodwork. Garbage, garbage, garbage everywhere. Not much though. Ta-da, ta-da. Ta-da. There's that. Got all kinds of junk in here. All kinds of junk in my trunk. There we go. This out here. Oops. Come on. Wood chips. Where are you? My God. I'm almost going to throw freaking drill bits in the garbage. Whee! There we go. I got it all. Probably not. There we go. Come on. One more. One more. There we go. Got most of it. Alrighty. What was I going to show you today? Got something cool today. Bought a toolbox. See that? Giant toolbox. Put all the goodies in it. See? I can put my giant screwdrivers in here. My giant crescent wrenches. Could also put my monster, I don't know what the hell these are. Monster wrenches here, see? Put that in there. What else? Fits mini vice grips. See? What else can I put in here? Fits pocket knives. What else do we got? Miniatures on this bench. But I put all the mini stuff away. You can put Allen keys in it. You can put dirty sharpening stone in it, and then you go, ta-da! Look at that. It's mini. Where did I buy that? I bought it for my kids at the dollar store. It was fun to buy. But yeah, my daughter liked it. My kids are not getting these tools. They're staying here. So what is this? There's a Mastercraft. They could have that one. Allen keys. They are not getting this wrench. Hell no. That's what is it? It's an old mini Irwin. It's been abused. Really abused. Abused. I should try to make another one. That'd be cool. So anyway, I gotta bring this back to my kids. It's pretty cool actually. I bought one that was pushed in. The whole side was pushed in. I gotta return it. But this one was cool. It's look $1. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.